Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, oh, this is Baroque. Let me stay focused here. It's been a minute. It's been some months. So I wanted to come on and explain where I've been and kind of just like what's been going on. So in a nutshell, I think the last video I posted was about my dad getting his toe amputated. He's diabetic and he had an infection in his toe and it turned into gangrene, and so they amputated that toe. And I think that was like the last vlog that I uploaded, and then after that excuse me, I just never came back. So basically what happened is in June, I took him to the ER and they informed us that they wanted to amputate his leg. And I can definitely say I shut down, and at that point I definitely didn't feel like posting anything, because even though it's not happening to me, it's still my dad. And you know, he already had a stroke in 2018, and then after that we found out he had kidney failure, and then now the leg amputation. So it's just been a lot. But just so this is not like a sad video or anything, I'm still emotional about it just because it's an unbelievable situation. I didn't think you know, we would be at this point, and I keep saying we as if I'm the one that's dealing with it. It's just him, but again, he's my dad. So and I already know my mom's gonna watch this and I'm gonna get a message. She's gonna be like, Lord, you got me crying. But I just wanted to be upfront and real about why I just haven't posted in a long time. I honestly just haven't felt like it, because there was a lot going on. We also moved. I'm in our closet, so excuse like the background. I'm also in our closet because my husband's asleep. It's like early in the morning and we're on like 2 different sleep schedules, so I don't want to disturb him. But yeah, we also moved in the midst of it all, and as you can see, we haven't really unpacked. and yeah, it's just been a whirlwind of so much going on. Is there anything else that occurred? I still have my shop open. I now have a website instead of using Etsy, just because Etsy and its fees is just rude. So you see some of my shirts behind me. But yeah, I wanted to keep this video short. I didn't want to make it entirely too long. Plus YouTube notified me that I need to be active at some point, because it has been a very long time. But yes, that is where I have been. So to update you on everything that has been going on with my dad, just in case anyone's wondering, so I took him to an appointment this Tuesday to be fitted for a prosthetic. So that's where we are right now. So basically the steps are, because again, this is like all new to me, I'm still adjusting to it all. Dad's doing really good. He, you know, he's excelled at physical therapy. I don't know how he does it with all that he's been through. Like, That's why I always say he's the strongest person that I know. I just don't know how he deals. Because I know if it was me, I would be falling apart because I'm already dramatic. So kudos to dad, because I don't even know. But so basically what's going to happen is the appointment that I took him to, the doctor measured like his knee. I guess they call it a stump. That's what he refers to, the one part of his leg as a stump. So he took measurements and he made like a casting of it so that he could then create a mock-up of a prosthetic. And then his appointment next week, or this week coming up, is he's going to try on the mock-up prosthetic, and if that fits well, then the following week or maybe 2 weeks after that, there will be a real prosthetic, and then he's gonna start therapy just so he can learn how to walk on that from there. So I'm excited for the fact that he'll have some type of normalcy. He'll be able to move around more freely, because I'm a lot like my dad, so I just know him sitting there in a wheelchair, like he's just not with it, and I don't blame him. So I know he's ready to like get up and move, so I'm excited for that. And then hopefully after all this, the next steps will be to get him a kidney, and then he can just feel like a normal individual again. So yeah, it's been a lot. I'm so sorry I've been away, but hopefully you all understand. Like I just couldn't deal with it. I just had a lot going on, and I knew that I could not put out any content worth looking at. So I apologize for this just not being like my normal setup. This is so not professional, but I wanted to basically give like a life update just so you can see my face. I'm still here. And yeah, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to do like a call to action. I want to know what type of videos you all would like to see, because I know I ended on a vlog. I wanted to know if you all wanted me to continue to vlog, especially like all that's going on with my dad now, like the process. Even though it's not me, I'm the one who typically takes my dad to like his appointments. So I don't know if you guys want to see more vlogs about his progress, because I can definitely deliver that. I think I'm more comfortable showing those details now that we are farther along in this process. So if you want to see that, let me know. If you're still interested in seeing all that I'm doing with my shop, which again, I have a website now, so you can go to nubianscorner.com and shop there. I'm trying my best to just add new items. I actually have a project that I'm really excited about coming up soon, so be on the lookout for that. But yeah, just let me know in the comment section below what you would like to see, and then we will go from there. So I'm excited to be back to, you know, creating things, and yeah, I don't really know what else to say. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you've been hanging on since my last video, I appreciate you. Again, I apologize for just being gone, but hopefully you all understand and will forgive me. And until the next video, I will see you guys later. Oh, don't forget, see, I'm so out of practice. Make sure you press the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.